Good morning, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and yesterday I crafted, but I didn't make a video, so I said, you know what, I can just make the video this morning and then start crafting a little more. So I used Anna Griffin dies, and they are a set of 3, butterfly, cake, and present, and then this is the card holder that goes in the back, and it is actually called Just Because gift card holder. So yeah, so anyway, that's what it originally looks like, and I'll show you. I made 12. When I make something, I want to make it and then I don't want to touch it again for 3 or 4 months. So I'll show you the presents, then the birthday cake, and give you some ideas of what to do or what not to do. So here's the present. The shadow layer, everything is Anna Griffin. The shadow layers are cardstock, and that's what the cardstock looks like, but you can't see it as well on camera. And then it's gold foil paper, and then embellishments that I pulled out of my stash. So there's one. Here is this one, and then that's what the paper looks like. I wish I would have used double-sided so that this wouldn't be white, but I think that that's okay. It's not the end of the world. And then the gift card, I got this from HSN, wanting me to buy wine, but the gift card goes, well, let me get it in there, goes right in there. Oh, it goes all the way in too. So there's that one. Here's this one. This one says cheers to you, so it doesn't have to say birthday. And I liked this, but it was flat, so I got 2 of them and pop dotted it and made it 3-dimensional, because I'm so used to Anna's flowers being 2- and 3-dimensional that I made that one. And then that's what the paper is, and then that's what it looks like. This one says for my friend, so it doesn't say birthday. It could be anniversary for someone, housewarming, and that's what the paper is, what I used. And then the birthday ones are all the same color papers, but the designs are different. Sending birthday wishes. I wanted to use the word wish because when you blow out a candle, you know how you make a wish, so that was my thought behind it. So there's that one. Birthday wishes. This was a flat die embellishment, and then I added another one on top. I wanted it raised from one of my stashes. I think maybe the garden teapot, no, maybe the garden cup. I don't know what it came from. This one, it was a flat one, and then I added that one on top to give it dimension. And then this one was totally flat, and so I got 2 of them and put them together so that it has dimension and everything. So then here's the butterflies. Happy birthday to you is what that one says, and this one was flat again, and I added 2 and smushed them together, and I got them actually from this. I don't make these very often, and it's the basket pop-up card making kit, so I just used embellishments from this. So here is the butterfly. On your special day, so this could be a graduation, and on the butterflies you notice that they're 3-dimensional, that I only glued straight down the middle with this piece and with this piece. And also, I didn't like that this normally is that tall, but I cut it down so that you wouldn't see these behind it. I wanted it to look like a butterfly instead of having something sticking up like that. So there's that one. And here is on your very special day. So see how this moves, and I cut it. And the last one is thank you very so much. So the reason why I made all these is a friend of mine, the next door neighbor, helped me out, and I bought a Starbucks card, and I'm fixing to upload this video, then walk next door and put the gift card in here and give it to her for her helping me. I always, when someone helps or does something for me, I always return a gift. I've taught my kids to do that, and now Sarah goes overboard like I do. So Kyle, I don't know, I don't ask him about it, but I'm sure he's very thankful and does that, because that's how I was trained by my mama, and then I trained mine. So yeah, I think it doesn't take much to be grateful. So there it is, all my prettiness. So I hope it gave you ideas, or if you don't like it, then it says, well, I know not what to do. But anyway, this is from Anna Griffin. You can find them on either hsn.com or Anna Griffin's website, annagriffin.com. So anyway, yeah, I had a fun time. Have a blessed day.